Good morning, children. Let us begin with famous quote. In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. Children, let us continue with lesson 10 more about water. But first, let's recall what we have studied in the previous video. We studied some important properties of water, like water takes the shape of its container because water does not have shape of its own. Water spreads on a flat surface. Water flows down a slope. Water is found in three states: solid, liquid and gaseous state. Children, let's learn one more property of water today. If we take a pinch of salt and add it to water, even though we cannot see the salt in water anymore, if we taste it with a spoon, we find that the water tastes salty. Children, this tells us that the salt is still there in the water, though we cannot see it. In other words, the salt has dissolved in water. So, dear children, we can say that some substances dissolve in water. There are many examples of such substances, like sugar too dissolve in water and it disappears. We cannot see it, but the water tastes sweet. So we come to know that sugar is dissolved in that water. Children, honey too dissolve in water. We come to know because the color of water changes slightly when honey is dissolved in water. I know ice candy is everyone's favorite. So, dear children, do you know water has to be frozen to make ice? Many people have refrigerators in which ice can be made. In factories, ice is made in large quantities. Ice candy or ice fruit is made by freezing water to which sugar, fruit juice and color have been added. So, dear children, we have completed lesson 10 here. Let's revise what we have studied in the lesson. We have studied some important properties of water, like pure water has no color, pure water has no smell, pure water has no taste, pure water is transparent. Water does not have shape of its own. So, water takes the shape of its container. Water spreads on a flat surface. Water flows down a slope. Water is found in three states: solid, liquid and gaseous state. Some substances dissolve in water. Children, you have to read the lesson thoroughly. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.